Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay contactless with Revolut. Contactless payments offer a super fast and secure way to complete transactions without needing to insert your card or enter a PIN for smaller amounts. Revolut integrates this technology seamlessly, allowing you to tap and go at millions of merchants globally. We will cover everything from setting up your card to making your first payment, ensuring you can enjoy the convenience of modern banking. To begin, you will need to activate your physical Revolut card. This is typically done by making your very first transaction using the chip and PIN method at any terminal. After activation, open your Revolut app and navigate to the card settings to ensure contactless payments are switched on. You can also customize security preferences, like setting a maximum amount for PIN-free transactions, giving you full control over your spending. Making a contactless payment is incredibly straightforward. When you are ready to pay, simply look for the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. Hold your Revolut card or device close to the reader for a few seconds. For purchases below a specific threshold, often around £50 or euros, you will not need to enter your PIN. The terminal will then confirm your transaction with an audible beep or a visual green light, indicating success. The benefits of using Revolut for contactless payments are numerous, including incredible speed and convenience, which significantly reduces your time at the checkout. Your transactions are also protected by Revolut's robust security measures, including advanced encryption and instant notifications. If you ever encounter an issue, such as a failed payment, simply try tapping again or use the traditional chip and PIN method. You can always review all your transactions instantly within the Revolut app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.